Hey everyone! Today we're diving into how to use Kling AI, a powerful tool for generating AI-based images and videos. Whether you're a creator, designer, or just curious, this tutorial will guide you step by step. Let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Kling AI. Click on the first link to access the official site. Once the site loads, click on the Sign In button in the top right corner. Complete the sign-in process to access the platform. After signing in, you'll see the main dashboard. It includes options for AI images, AI videos, and a video editor, coming soon. Let's start with creating AI images. From the dashboard, click on AI images. Enter a prompt describing the image you want to generate. Be as creative or detailed as you like. Click on Generate and wait a few seconds. Once the images are ready, you can preview them. If you're happy with the results, simply click the download button to save your creation. Now let's move on to AI videos. Go back to the dashboard and click on AI videos. Start by uploading a start frame and an end frame image. These frames set the visuals for your video. Enter your video prompt and adjust the settings, such as resolution or duration, to fit your needs. Click Generate. For free trials, the generation process may take up to 3 hours. Once completed, preview the video. And if you like it, download it with a single click. One great feature of Kling AI is the ability to explore other users' creations. Browse through publicly shared AI-generated images and videos. Select a design you like, customize it with your prompt or settings, and download the final result. It's a great way to get inspiration and adapt existing ideas to your style. And that's it for today's guide on using Kling AI. From stunning AI-generated images to creative videos, Kling AI offers endless possibilities for your projects. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.